This is a verified complaint. A copy is right now on its way to the House of Representatives. This is an ethics complaint against Congressman Danilo Ramon S. Fernandez, more popularly known as Dan Fernandez or Attorney Google. Anyway, this is for certain conduct unbecoming of a member of parliament, unparliamentary conduct, which were committed during the hearings of the Quadcom. If you recall, noon pong nililitis o dinidinig yung tungkol sa mga pogo, kinatawan ko po roon. Nirepresent ko si Miss Catherine Cassandra Leong. At lahat naman po tayo saksi sa ginawang paglabag sa mga karapatan ni Miss Cassie Leong. Specifically, not only the deprivation of the right to counsel, but physically, this was unprecedented in legislative history in this country. Nahaharangin mo yung abogado at hindi mo palalapitin sa kanyang kliyente during a legislative hearing, sapagkat ang karapatan na magkaroon ng abogado upang makipagsangguni ang isang testigo sa legislative hearing ay ginagarantiya ng walang iba kundi ng ating saligang batas. Number 2, pagwawarning sa abogado na huwag bigyan ng payo ang kanyang kliyente. Saang planeta po acceptable ang ganoong behavior?